Hey everyone, Christian Lee here for another episode of the DadSews Sewist Spotlight. Well, today I'm joined by Megan, who runs a shop with possibly the best name in the world, Silly Fat. I'm so glad she's here. I'm gonna let Megan explain to you her shop and her style. Take it away, Megan.
Hi Christian, it's Megan from Silly Fat. Thank you so much for featuring me on DadSews Sewist Spotlight. If I were to describe Silly Fat's style, I would describe it as classy casual and whimsical and fun. I try to keep Silly Fat as true to me as possible. Every fabric that I purchase and every item that I make, I would actually wear myself. I love polka dots. You'll see those featured quite a bit in the things that I make. I love bright colors. I love skulls and neutral colors as well, which I know is opposite. I love anatomy fabrics. I love whimsical fabrics. My favorite is got to be the chubby unicorns, as well as the feminist fabrics from Piccadilly Textile Corp. You'll see a lot of Piccadilly featured in the things that I make. You can find me on Instagram at sillyfatco, SILLYFATCO. You can also find me in my Facebook group, Silly Fat VIP Exclusives in BST, and on my website, www.sillyfat.com. Thank you so much. Bye.
Well, thanks so much for joining us, Megan. Hey, if you're watching this episode and you would like your shop or your creations featured on the Sewist Spotlight, why not drop me a line at dadsews.com or facebook.com/dadsews. I would love to have you on. All right, don't forget to click that thumbs up, like button, share this with your friends, and I'll see you with a new DadSews episode very soon. DadSews!